Okay, perfect. And Julia, I know you work with CPAs specifically, right? So I'm sure they have specific products that they probably use for their practice. How does Microsoft come into play there when it comes to that question for you?
So our company is, that's a good way to phrase it. So for the CPA side, they've always standard on QuickBooks. We've done some Peachtree in the past. Brian, sorry, we hated it. But they standard in QuickBooks. But our technology team was different. We had a sales leader who he always wanted to sell everything to our clients, and it was a struggle. I came up the technical side and started doing sales, and as I kept coming up, understanding how hard it was to support everything, me and another counterpart just constantly kept going back saying we have to standardize, we have to standardize, we have to standardize. And when we finally made our decision to standardize on our products, we committed to Microsoft, we committed to Cisco, and committed to a certain couple of managed service products. We actually had a couple people leave because they didn't think we would be able to do it. And the conversations we had with our clients was actually a lot easier when they understood that we had certified people under the Microsoft realm. We had certified engineers underneath the Cisco realm. Being able to talk through our expertise and our knowledge and how we could support them on those products was a much easier conversations with our clients. We still have some clients that come at us and want to know, well, why can't we do Google, or why shouldn't we do Amazon? And we do the comparisons. We'll do the technical comparison, we'll do the price comparison. And to Joe's point, when you have it all integrated, it's a lot easier conversation of, well, your office is already. Why would you use Outlook if you're going to use Gmail? Why would you go and use Active Directory and not be able to tie it to your Amazon as easily as you can with Azure? So having those conversations of how tightly Microsoft is integrated, it is a lot easier to sell it to our clients in the future and now.